Yeah. So, Ashutosh, over to you. So let's try and figure out, sequence activities to do so that we are extremely clear on where the mother post will happen.
Yeah. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, very clear.
Okay, so let me go to our Twitter handle and let's go to the profile and let's say tweets and replies. Okay. So first, let me take you through, give you a bit of a context. So this is basically a net buying competition, which we are doing on an exchange called KuCoin, which is one of the largest exchange. So we are saying that if you do this, you will get this, and there will be a lucky draw, and the winners will get this, and then there is some brand video.
Sure.
So now, the moment this tweet is made, so what I will do is I will share, do this and copy link to the tweet. And let us say we have an operating group on Telegram.
Sure.
And I will paste it on that group.
Sure.
Okay. So I keep pasting links. Okay. So for example, got this. Okay, what do you want to do? And you know. So for example, we share this Twitter and then we say, okay, hammer, hammer, hammer. Let's go, right? So, or for example, I can show you one more group where we are doing it. So we send the tweet link and then the copy is decided on the group. Okay, this is what we can put. And then what happens is they do first they do this like and comment. Okay, so you can just say comment and say wow, exciting news or something. We can come up with these phrases.
Yeah.
So now the moment 15 people start doing that, the engagement of that tweet looks high. Other thing what we can do is we can do this retweet button, okay, from the individual accounts and say retweet and select quote retweet and say, hey guys, came across this wonderful piece of news, blah, 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 USP 1, USP 2, USP 3. So these content is generally decided on the working group. So for example, I can go on Telegram and I can show you, for example, unique trading competition started for Polytrade at KuCoin, win your kitty, something like this, right? Or something like this. So we will start getting likes as well as we will start getting quote repeats. Now, then this number will start increasing.
Sure.
And that becomes our measure, which we can see in the analytics. So for every tweet, how many impressions you got, what is the engagement and what is the engagement rate.
Sure.
So we know, okay, whether it is working, whether it is not working, or whether we need to put more. Now, the thing is, the secret of success lies in who is doing this like and retweet.
Yes.
Now, if I do it, if I have 100 followers, obviously it will have lesser impact compared to if Arul does it, who has 5,000 followers, he will have a greater impact.
Yeah.
So essentially, the idea is either to create accounts and get followers on that, or try to reach out to people who have followers. But that is a different game plan. That is called influencer marketing, isn't it? So if you have 10,000, 100,000 followers on Twitter, I will reach out to you. Anish, can you give me 5 retweets and 5 quote tweets and 5 likes for $200 to $250, something like that. But that is influencer marketing. We are not discussing that. We are purely discussing about how do we increase impressions and engagement on the tweet.
Yeah.
Now, once that is done, what happens is these guys also go into groups. We will give you a list of groups where you can have these conversations. So they enter that group and they do something like this. Okay, so this is tweet replies. Okay, this is not Telegram, but this is tweet reply. But you can see, you can check out how they are replying. So again, Crypto Gorilla, Influencer Poker, these are all big influencers. So on that thread, they must have posted something. On that, they are replying this. Okay. Now, other thing which they do is on Telegram groups. Ah, this is Telegram.
Yeah.
So these people have entered the groups and they start having conversation. Sex and
Mhm.
recovered. I like that. That's a great move. Yeah, I'm certified. Any idea where I can buy from? So this is what they do on Telegram. Wow, a lot of places to choose from. Yeah, right. Simple conversations, and in between somebody puts that link. Okay, here it is.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is essentially the game plan. Other thing which you can also do is on Twitter. If you see, go to Qualitrade, let's go to the home page, or let's say just go to Explore, and you can see trending.
Mhm.
Now this is worldwide trends. Okay.
Yeah.
Let us suppose I want to focus on Africa today or Nigeria.
Mhm.
What I'll do is I'll go to the geography and say change location. I will put Nigeria. And I will see that, oh, football is trending. Oh, Wilmon is trending. So mostly it is football, etc., 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 which is going on. Now, obviously, these are probably not interesting for me, right? Because I cannot force fit something into football, something in crypto and something in
Yeah.
trade finance into football.
Yeah.
So then I will see, okay, let me see. Uh, let's say cryptocurrency.
Mhm.
Okay, so then I will see, okay, so this post is there, this post is there, some breaking news is there. So I see that, okay, there is a blue tick guy,
Mm.
and where some conversation is happening about the crypto bill in India. So what I can do is I can participate and I'll reply and say, wow, great insights. What does it mean for a real world trade finance protocols like Polytrade, who wants to help everyone? Will that not lead to economic growth, which will be beneficial to the government? And then maybe put a link,
Mhm.
right?
Why don't you post it? Why don't you post it? This is a great comment you've written. Just post
Yeah,
it.
but I cannot post on behalf of Polytrade, no?
Ah.
So,
Ah.
so I can do it from a personal handle. That I can do. But imagine people will know, na? Okay, Arul, Ashutosh, these are all involved with project. So what
Okay.
we do is we will get Anish or we will go and get Elmi or Iti to do this from their personal handles.
Got it. Got
And
it.
that will also get us some impressions. And then what I will do is I will go to, let us say, and let's go to that tweet and I see, let us say, assume that Ravi Prabhakar is talking about Polytrade.
Mhm.
What I will go is I will go and like his comment on Polytrade.
Yeah.
So that is how the loop is complete. So essentially, this is the thing that these are two, three things that can work in terms of marketing and creating buzz.
Okay. Okay.
So what I
Yeah.
can do is I can also take you through the content, the kind of content that we create.
Yeah.
As you can see, there is some Thanksgiving posts which we are doing. We are thanking each of these partners. Now, why are we doing this? Because if we thank this partner will retweet and that will give us greater engagement.
Sure. Sure.
and this we create videos like this, which is kind of engaging and sale video. Again, we send it out to our hype army, and they first like it, then retweet it, and then quote it, then engage on it.
Okay.
Now, to obviously answer your question, not everybody understands this subject so well.
Mhm.
So we will typically create a briefing document,
Sure.
and we will say that, okay, this is the content. These are the things that you can probably post about. So they can pick and choose those phrases, and so that they don't have the burden of composing themselves.
Sure. This one is for just one tweet. So this is a tweet, is it? The post content is a.
Yeah, so post content on of the tweet is created by us. We can also create the sample responses. Okay, these are the typical responses, 5 or 6 responses that may be relevant for this tweet. So we can deploy it to you guys, and then your guys can. And over a period of time, they will also learn that, oh, this account means.
People are responding. So if you my tweets, everybody is commenting on it all the time. So yeah,
Correct.
I agree with you. See. Let's give a name for everything, right? So let's say, so have you stopped sharing your stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me start my screen. So clear. I'm just to yes. Simple. Start.
Your voice is not audible now.
Voice. Really?
It's breaking actually.
Okay. How is it now?
Yeah, it is very clear now.
Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, so we always start with a mother tweet.
Yeah.
Okay. The first set of instructions is to the tweet itself. Things that needs to be done at the tweet level, right?
Yeah.
So by the individual people. Okay. So let's figure that out. What are the things that we need to do? Like it, right? Share it,
and comment on it.
And comment on it, right? Comment on it by picking one of the
standard lines.
But make sure that some other person has not done it, right? Okay, now
it's okay. That much duplication, it's fine. Twitter is anyways a very crowded place.
Okay. So this is what we need to do: like it, share it, and comment on it. Okay, number one. Number two, find the let's say
relevant hashtags and conversations.
Yeah, I think let's do one by one. I think first let's do. You want to do relevant hashtags, or you want to find the trending guys, or it's the same?
It's the same actually. Relevant hashtags and trending. So both are kind of interconnected.
Oh, is that?
So for example, trade finance might be a relevant hashtag, but it is never trending on Twitter. So there is no point. No?
Okay. Got it. Okay. So
but cryptocurrency is both relevant and trending.
Right. So let's say, find the trending stuff in crypto. But the problem
in crypto, DeFi. Yeah, crypto, DeFi. I can give you the list of hashtags.
Sure. Stuff in, let's say, the
DeFi.
One second. The following hashtags and do what? hashtag cryptocurrency, hashtag D5, whatever. No, you'll give
DeFi,
the
DEFI. Yeah, I will give that.
Okay, yeah, got D5. So find the trending stuff, post, not stuff, trending post, the following hashtag, and comment with our comment with our comment
Tweet link.
comment with link, right, with a link.
Yeah.
And we will give them, it will be there,
Yeah.
5
Yeah.
such links will be given, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you'll also say 5 standard lines and 5 comments.
Maybe in terms of links, there may be 1 or 2 only.
Okay, no, it will be 1 or link will always be 1, but comment can be 5.
Yeah.
Yeah,
correct.
Because the link will always be the one that you just posted.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that is the second one. The third one is like it, share it, and comment by picking another. Second is find the trending post. Okay, how many hashtags are there roughly?
There will be, see, it keeps changing, but let us say 20, around 20 hashtags will be there any given point in time, which will be relevant and trending.
I see. Okay, that's good. Say around. See, basically, okay, it's really not even trending. It's more like, what is the most important thing that is happening, around that area, right? It may, like you said, may or may not be trending, So no, it is both relevant and trending. Okay, cool.
And trending, yeah.
Okay. So there is around 20, keywords. Let me call it keywords.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, that's a right word. Okay, and then once I've done that, so I've done Twitter, I've done a little bit of thing. Now, how to make this like effective is okay, comment on it, and okay. Now we need to move to the next platform, right? Now we are done with Twitter, basically.
Yeah, we are done with Twitter.
Right? Things to do in Twitter. Okay. And then we have finished with Twitter. Where are we going next? Shall we go to Telegram next?
Telegram.
Okay. Okay. So do you want to show what you will do in Telegram, or we can just type like this itself? So what is the first? Will you do a
so first step will be get your team to join the Telegram groups that matter.
Get your team to join the Telegram
channels that are relevant.
That matter. Okay. And approximately, do you know how many are there for you, Polytrade?
Yeah, I mean, there are tens of thousands, but if we can start with a small, digestible number, maybe around 100 groups, I think it would be fine.
Okay.
Purely from month one experiment perspective.
Correct. Absolutely. Yeah. Okay. Then
be a part of the conversations in that group.
I think that is going to be difficult. Be a part of conversations.
See, the thing is, if suddenly a new joiner comes and starts
I know what
pushing,
you mean. I know exactly what
they will get caught.
Be a part of conversation in this group, and we need to figure out how can we do it.
So how to do typically is, hey guys, I am new to this group and cryptocurrencies, got recommended by a friend. Can somebody help me? And then suddenly they say, oh, what do you want? Okay, yeah. Then they can ask, okay, I'm new to cryptocurrency and heard about something. Can you guide? So once that happens for a day or two, maybe see, that is one way. Other way to do is, I'm just trying to think what a new guy would do. most of these groups may not allow direct links to be posted, because the moment you post a link, the group admin will ban you. Again, the same holds for images and videos as well. So it has to be purely conversation driven, and wherever possible, that link sharing can be done. So there are some groups which will allow link sharing, some groups which don't allow link sharing.
Mhm. This is going to be a tricky one. I can easily see why it will be tricky, because it needs
It
a
is
little
very
bit of,
tricky. It is very tricky.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's very, very tricky, but life is tricky. So, we don't want to,
Yeah.
shy away from tricky ones. We
Yeah. So
want,
unless the person understands the basics of cryptocurrency, what is an exchange, what is a decentralized exchange, what is DeFi, GeFi, and all of those things, at least at a basic level, at a refresher level, it will be difficult to actually do this.
yeah, it's very, very difficult to do this. So basically, tell me what are the 5 things that we need to refresh on? Refresh on one. What is
What is blockchain?
That is okay. Yeah. So that is very basic. So blockchain.
Yeah.
And
what is a cryptocurrency?
What is crypto?
Yeah. And then how many cryptocurrency exchanges are there?
Okay.
At least the top ones.
Okay. Just name the top ones.
Let's say Binance, KuCoin.
Okay, that one.
Something like that. Yeah. KuCoin.
Yeah,
and
that's
so
fine.
on.
Okay.
Then I would say wallets, what are cryptocurrency wallets, MetaMask.
Okay, those kind of things, wallets.
Yeah. Wallets.
Okay. What else? MetaMask. What? Give me a few more wallets. MetaMask.
MetaMask is main. Apart from that, you have hardware wallets like Ledger and all of that.
Okay, no, let's just stick with MetaMask. Okay.
MetaMask is main.
Yeah.
And then maybe let's say so basically cryptocurrencies are like trading, right? So anything related to trading, you would so for example, if you go to Money Control to find out what is happening in equities.
Got it.
Or Bloomberg to find out. So similarly, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, these are 2 listing sites.
CoinMarketCap.
Cap. And CoinGecko. GECKO. Yeah, these are essentially your encyclopedia types.
Got it.
So they will have all the currencies and how much they are trading at, what exchanges are there, so on and so forth. So this level of familiarity generally takes about, at least a week, 10 days to develop.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you ask some silly questions also, people generally help out.
No, I think, look, it's easy to ask question. The difficult part is, when they respond with another question, it's hard to give an answer.
Correct answer.
Otherwise, it's always good to say, oh, thank you very much, if they give an answer. But if they ask you another question, that's where it becomes very tricky.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's all right. I think let's we will take a call on this Telegram thing. But give us the 100 groups. We'll at least join and just
other thing. Other shortcut that we can do for Telegram is we can have a prototype conversation in our this document that you're giving.
Sure.
So hey guys, any news? What's trending in DeFi? I heard about Polytrade going on KuCoin. So it will be a doctored conversation, not an organic conversation, but 5 people doing it. It's like for drama, we give that script, no?
Right.
Okay, you say this, you say this, you say this, you say this, something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, got it. Okay, prototype conversations in our main group, and
that can be replicated in those 100 groups. That I think is the easier way to start.
Yeah, got it. Absolutely. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. So I'm just thinking, just in terms of our experiment, just going back to the mother tweet, right?
Mm.
Things that needs to be done at the tweet level, which is like it, share it, and pick up the. So how do we like even for the experiment, on the first one, Ashutosh, what do you think is the right number of people we should experiment? So, for example, you put the first mother tweet. Now,
Mm.
from my team, how many people do
Mm.
you think we should put in order to like it, share it, and comment it, and also these 20 keywords, and just searching, and like roughly what will be a meaningful number that would generate a meaningful that initial velocity.
I think 10 to 15.
Let's start with 10, okay?
Yeah,
Because
10. 10 I
because
would say is
because
a
10
healthy
is,
number to
yeah,
start with.
10 because I'm also want to define some number. So let's say with 10 people, I just want to define what will the 10 people do. So 10 people will simply like and comment. Okay, that's easy.
Correct.
That's really easy.
Correct.
But
That's easy.
this one is the tough one, because we don't want the 10 people to find the exact same post. So here we need to do some mutually exclusive, completely exhaustive problem. So what they have to do is each of the 10 have to select these keywords, right?
Actually, there is a shortcut for this also.
Oh,
So,
is
for
it?
example, if you find a big influencer like Elon Musk or someone, or there are some crypto influencers, right? Like there are keywords, there are big crypto influencers. So obviously, these guys have to follow all of them. We'll give
Yes.
the companies and influencers to follow, which you can include in the list. Influencers and companies to follow. And the moment they see it, start seeing tweet now, in that they can have pollited. Even if 10 people are replying on the same thread, it is good, because the share of voice for pollited in that page is increasing, as long as they are not copy pasting the same message. As long one person says, oh, Polytrade is solving this. Oh, I heard they are coming up on KuCoin. Oh, their price has increased. Oh, it has been a top gainer, something. And yeah, and keep pasting the link to mother tweet. That's all that they can do, no?
Right. I think, Kashutosh, I'm also slightly, concerned, how to, I want to do this, but at the same time, it shouldn't become too, problematic. Just keep it, the balance has to be, I know this is the game that is being played in crypto, it's not new, but, because we are dealing with, very sensitive groups, I just wanted to keep it, slightly
Basic.
basic and clean if possible, right? So I really like all these things. Liking it is fine. Relevant is fine. Find the key influencers is fine. Each key influencers list, and then follow everyone, right? So the 10 people will follow all of these people. Okay. Then what we will do, I think that's a different one, right? So this one, let's decide. Each of the 10 will select, let's say the top post. Okay. Or we can give each one, okay, 2 or 3 keywords each. Okay. So so that each of the 10 will get 2 keywords or hashtags, which they will use to select the top post and comment on it from the 5 comment links. Is that okay?
Yeah.
This is okay. This is okay. Okay. Similarly, what can we do with the key influencer? So this is clear, So
same as above. Same as above with key influencers.
So basically, then they're also like it, share it, and then do this. Is it?
Same. ABC as it is. Yeah.
Okay. Like it, share it, and this thing. So instead of the post, you're simply A and C basically, not B.
Yeah, A and C.
Okay, got it. Okay.
I would say only C actually. Why do you want to like and share the influencer's post?
No,
It will
correct.
give him promotion, no?
Okay. So
Yeah.
you get not 2 keywords. How many? Let's say each of the 10 will get 2
We'll give,
influence.
we will put phrases. No? Yeah. Yeah, each one will get 2 influences, which they will.
And comment on it.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, it's 2 influencers and 2. So totally 4 things they will comment.
Right.
Okay. So that is done in Twitter. Let's move to Telegram. Now we know what else is it. Okay. Let's say the same 10 people are there in all these things. Okay. So they are following the 100 groups. Okay. And then they will replicate it. Okay. That's fair enough. And then what next?
Sorry, I lost you there.
No, so the same 10 people, okay, will join Telegram. Okay. They will follow the 100 groups.
Yeah.
Then they'll be a part of the conversation in the group, and we'll try to mimic
Yeah.
those conversations. This is going to be a little bit of a tricky wicket, but we will try to overcome this wicket slowly, because Telegram is an important thing we can't miss. Okay. Now, what will these next? Let's move to anything else we need to do in Telegram.
For now, let us start with this.
With this, okay. Okay, then let's go to
Internet is unstable. Why it is unstable?
I can hear you clearly, Ashutosh. Maybe you can just switch off your camera.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, I think it should be okay now.
Cool. Okay, we have done that. Now, what can we do on LinkedIn? Do you, first of all, post on LinkedIn?
Yeah, we do.
Same thing.
Now we are not, because we are focusing on Twitter and Telegram, but we can adapt the same post for LinkedIn and post. Just
adopt the same post and post. Why? Now LinkedIn is, you need to be careful, because these 10 people, right? They all will have step up all over their body. In 20 seconds, everybody will know that the same 10 people are commenting or posting, because identity in Twitter and Telegram is very sketchy, But LinkedIn, we are like, we all wear the same uniform. In Step Up One, there are 500 people and all of them wear exactly the same, title, the same, everything.
That they will get caught.
They will get caught. So, what can we do on LinkedIn? Just have a quick.
LinkedIn, first thing, I think we can focus on follower growth. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. So I think first is maybe increase the follower count on LinkedIn.
Okay.
And normal engagement, the same engagement which is being done on Twitter, the same thing can happen on LinkedIn.
Okay. No. Okay. How do we? Okay, the increase the follower count on LinkedIn, obviously has to happen organically. So when you say LinkedIn, increase the follower count on LinkedIn, this is for Polytrade, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it can be for Polytrade, it can be for my account, it can be for Arul's account.
Okay. That's what I'm thinking, So let's do this properly. First, let's start with Polytrade. Okay. And Polytrade is posting the mother content that was happening in Twitter. After that Polytrade content, what do we need to do? We identify and join. We'll assume the same thing, the 100 LinkedIn groups that are relevant for. But then how do we do this? This has to be done on behalf of somebody. Okay. Like there is no point in me doing it for you. So it has to be, let's say, on behalf of Arul, and Ashutosh. 2 people. Okay.
Hmm.
You guys, you both need to be, there, because your identity is obviously going to be the same. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. And you both are directly linked. Then it won't be a thing. You're going to be. Then what you do is take that mother content and you need to post it on this thing with a comment. Strong content that looks like a comment. Okay. Strong comment on top of the mother tweet. Okay. You want to, I don't know whether you want to link the mother tweet or the copied LinkedIn post. Okay. That's a
interesting question. I don't have an answer. I will have to do and find out.
Yeah, I know, because by putting a tweet, you're taking him away from there. LinkedIn may not like it.
Yeah.
But by putting the mother content here, you're trying to grow the platform itself within LinkedIn itself. I would suggest.
I think LinkedIn should focus on LinkedIn. Yeah, LinkedIn should focus on LinkedIn. Yeah.
Mother LinkedIn content. Okay. And post it on all of the groups. Okay. So this one, I'm thinking, how do we do this?
I think number 2, increase the follower count on LinkedIn for Polytrade. And number 2 is be a part of the groups that matter. So there will be, like you said, biotech, and all of that. So those
we are,
groups
right?
have to
we
be
are,
identified.
we are.
Okay, yeah, it's on that.
That is what. No, that I'm thinking. This 100 groups, might be. See, I'm also worried about your own accounts. Okay, if you do overdo this, it will be.
So let's do 20. No.
Exactly. I'll do 20 for you. Okay. Each. So for you 20 and for Arul 20. Two different groups, so that you're in 20 and he's in 20.
Yeah, you can include Piyush also in LinkedIn. Yeah.
Okay. Strong comment on top of the mother LinkedIn and post it on all of the 60 groups. Okay. And then engage in small conversations or like anyone else's comment. Okay. If they put anything on top of you, just like it, right? That's all I mean. Like.
Yeah.
Anyone. Okay. What can we do about whatever we've done on Twitter? How can we do the same here as well? Like find the top trending stuff and comment. Same thing, exactly whatever we did here. This ABC, right? Whatever we did the ABC in Twitter, should we do it here also, or in should we do? Yeah, I don't see a reason why we should not do the same thing in LinkedIn. It's exactly the same, right? Find the trending content and attach it, comment on it. It's exactly the same. And if you're doing it on Twitter, why shouldn't you do it on LinkedIn?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right. And exactly the same thing. The same keywords will be given to the same 10 people. So 20 into 2, 20, and they will just simply, 40. 40. Yeah. Okay. I think, so LinkedIn, I think let's stop here. Okay. Because this itself.
This is good enough for an experiment.
Yeah, exactly. See, I'm thinking,
and I would say if you want to take LinkedIn to the next month also, it is fine, or you want, if you think it can be done, it's okay.
See, what is the thing, right? You have to just start and then, experiment and let's keep going, yeah, we'll never be perfect, but, at least we know that, oh my God, we are not able to even do it. So that way, it's going to be very interesting. See, I'm just thinking in terms of, I can see how it will work with, basically I can see the same 10 people can do the Twitter, the same 10 people will do the Telegram, and the same 10 people will do the LinkedIn. Okay. Except, okay, there is there's 3 people here, right? There's people who is going to act on behalf of you, Ashutosh and Piyush. In my view, they have to be different because it's just a little bit of, like it's just a work. Every day, they will have to spend 2 hours to go to each of the 20 groups and keep posting it. It is like a repetitive, a thing that they need to do. Is a non-brain activity. This 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. They need to do this. So this 3 people has to be separate than the other 10 people, because the 10 people has to go through, a very. They need to go through a set of activity, or we can. I don't know how to. Yeah, let me think through that. How to do this. But I think let me come back to you with a proposal, because what I will do, I'm going to get a sense. See, it's really simple, the way we work, that $100, $200, $300. I'll just be open with you. Typically what the thing is, it takes us an hour. If we work for an hour every day, okay, that's like a $100 job. Right? If we work for, let's say, 2 hours, it's 200, 3 hours is 300. Okay. Typically, this is how we, price the thing. And accordingly, we have, so right now, the hyper marketing is at $300. But I think, this is even more than the hyper marketing. I have to go and look at, how much it is going to take. And based on that, we can actually reduce the work also. Okay. There are 2 things. One, how much budget you want to put into the first month experiment. One. Number 2, how much actually these guys can do. It's even though you have the budget, we may not be able to, do it. So I don't want to take more work than what we can actually do. Okay. So let's work from both perspective. You work on your budget. I'll work on, what is possible by, let's say, 1 person. So even though that 1 person we have, can he actually do all these things? Okay. See, for someone, even in, a full internet connection, amazing, blazing thing, for them, nothing. This is hardly, big deal. Okay. They can do this. But because we are living in very difficult conditions, all these things are also very difficult for us. Okay.
Where are you based currently, Anix?
No, I'm based in London.
Okay.
Of course, I have a blazing internet connection, but unfortunately, my team is based in, a camp, a refugee camp.
They will not have. Yeah.
So they have good. They have.
And where is this? Ghana or Nigeria? Where is it?
Oh, this is all over the Africa, and we are expanding more. Also. We have across 6 refugee camps, but for this particular thing, we are going to just go with 1 refugee camp. And we're going to select 10 people from there, and we're going to, have 1 leader to monitor all of them. Maybe I will even think about having 2 leaders, because it's a bit of a difficult job. And then, I'll select the 10 people to do the thing. And then also see what I will, like I said, right, it will be 10 people, doing all these jobs. Okay. Except, let me mark this one in, except this 2 and 3 here. Okay. These 2 is like a straightforward job that we do for all our clients. This 2, the one that I've marked in orange, is basically going to be simple 3 people to whom you will hand over your LinkedIn account. Nobody else other than they will have access to it. And they will simply do these 20 LinkedIn groups every single day. That's all. Okay. It'll have to do like clockwork. We just need to figure out how to make it natural, etc., etc., etc. So this is, I don't even need to identify or think or anything. So for 3 people, they will work on your behalf. they will, increase your, follower count individually. Okay. Uh, and also one more thing we can do, I don't know whether you want this or not, other than posting into the 60 different groups. Okay. If you want, we can also connect with the top influencers of LinkedIn in crypto world. Okay. You want me to show you a little bit about that?
No, not at this stage. I
Okay.
think we'll keep the influencer part separate.
Okay.
Because LinkedIn influencers for crypto, they generally don't work. Most of the
Okay.
action is on Twitter only.
Okay. Okay.
From an influencer marketing perspective, but we can look at it in the subsequent days.
No, what I mean is it's not influencer marketing. It's more like who you need to be connected with, right? In order for you, yeah. It's not influencer marketing at all. It's more selling.
Got it.
More selling.
More networking.
Networking and
networking
selling.
and selling.
But let's look at it later. All I'm saying is, you think of everything else as marketing, okay? But these two things, right? These two things here, think of it as your personal, right hands. Okay. So you three have 3 right hands, and they will basically be building your net worth, your personal relationships. Let's say there's an event coming up. Some people are going to speak in that event. Then you need to be connecting to the speakers of that event. So they will become your right hand to do that work.
Got it.
Okay. And this is what we do for many CEOs and COOs. This is our number one work. We do this for nearly 100 people.
Got it.
Okay. Left, right, and center. Okay. The one that you have told us, will be the first, to do it. So let me, work on this, and let me come back to you in terms of, what I think we can do, and then we will decide on whether this is something we can do properly and learn from each other.
Got it. No problem.
Cool. Anything else you want to add? I'm happy to listen. No, otherwise,
that's it.
What to do?
That's it. I look forward to getting it from you. Yeah.
One more thing, Ashutosh. I just want to, the way I normally do this is, I play it myself first. Whatever I'm telling other people to do, I want to, do it myself just to get a sense of.
Same thing. No? I did it myself, and then only I made it an SOP. So that is how I'm able to give you the steps.
Excellent. Because it's not fair, to tell other people to work on something. So
first, I will do it. If I can do it, then others can do it.
So I'll share these steps with you also. Can we enrich this document as we keep working on together, so that you can use this document with any number of people that you want. See, I think we have a serious power. We are really going towards nearly 1,000 people, and if we can do something mega with that, I think we can turn around a lot for you and for us.
Sure.
But let's start small with 10. Let's do that and learn from each other. Can you supply me this 100 groups or 10 groups or whatever it is? Can you just give
let's create a working Telegram group, and that also will help the team to get familiarized with Telegram, how it works and all of that. Sure. And all the document, because that will be the way of life, right? And we can create Slack and we can communicate over emails and all of that, but Telegram, I think, is much faster and more relevant.
Sure. Just to keep things, little bit, are you comfortable with WhatsApp group for our normal communication and Telegraph group for, just that proper, that business, working? But ideally we keep it on Telegram, because WhatsApp generally, the thing is, if I have to give a file from Telegram to WhatsApp, I'll have to first send it to myself on WhatsApp, then forward. So it's additional steps. Okay. But with Telegram, I can directly import files in the same platform and share it with you. Okay, then let's keep everything in Telegram. So we'll call the ours as working group. Okay. And then, we will, Ashutosh, do you mind, just, can I put my WhatsApp number here? Do you mind texting me so that, I can have quick conversations with you if I need. This is my number. Or if you prefer to do it on Telegram also, I'm fine. Somewhere, it's better, if you find me and connect with me in Telegram, I'm on Telegram. So you can connect with me also.
So let me note down this number. And
Note down my number and my
Done.
name, and then you can just
4477 956. Yeah, 77956422567. Got it.
yeah.
Got it.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I'll try to turn around by tomorrow in terms of what is my costing, and and then you tell us what is
Okay.
it, and we'll
Hmm.
somewhere try to balance each other and make sure that it works out for both of us. Yeah.
Okay, great.
All right, cool. Thank you. Thanks.
See you. Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Elmi, if you don't mind, if we can stay back, we can just quickly discuss and just try to finish this off. So let me